Okay, this is 5-8 part 3. We're going to deal with a few more that will have quadratics in them. Okay, so this is number 5 for your examples. We have s squared over 2 minus 4s over 3 equals 1/2. Again, the same first step. You find your LCD of 2, 3, and 2, which is 6, and I multiply by 6. Okay, that means I distribute it. Now distribute the 6 here, where I get the 2 in the denominator goes into 6 3 times, and so I get 3 times s squared. The 3 in the denominator goes into the 6 2 times, so I get 2 times 4s is equal to, these 2 in the denominator goes into the 6 3 times, so I get 3 times 1. Okay, so we'll get 3s squared minus 8s equals 3. Get everything on the same side. 8s minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic. You can use the quadratic equation, or you can, which I guess we haven't covered yet, so not the quadratic equation, you factor this. Okay, so bridge method. Alright, bridge method takes us with the 3 times the negative 3 gives me a negative 9. What factors a negative 9 that add to negative 8? That's negative 9 and 1. That gives me a negative 8. Alright, so I break this up. 3s squared. Okay, it gives me a negative 9s plus s minus 3 equals 0. So, now I have 3s squared. Oh, we got to factor by grouping. So pull out the 3s, and I'm left with s minus 3. Pull out a 1, I'm left with s minus 3 equals 0. So I get 3s plus 1, s minus 3 equals 0. So I get s is equal to, 3s plus 1 equals 0, and s minus 3 is equal to 0. So I get 3s equals negative 1, or s is equal to negative 1/3. Get s is equal to 3 here. And so your solutions are there. There's the whole thing from start to finish. Okay, I'll do one more of the same type. Alright, so let's look at, this will be number 6. Okay, 6 is written as x times x plus 5 over 12 equals x plus 8 over 4. Find the LCD. The LCD of 12 and 4 is 12. So multiply the whole thing by 12. That's nice because that leaves me with an x times x plus 5 on the left and a 3 times x plus 8 on the right. Now remember, that 12 goes in that 12 one time. That 4 goes in that 12 3 times. Alright, so simplify these things. Distribute. Bring everything over. I'm going to take all of this, move it over here. Alright, so I'll do that by doing x squared. Subtract the 3x, I get 2x. Subtract the 24, and I get 0. This is a little bit easier to factor. So on factors of negative 24, that add to 2, and that's 6 minus 4. Plus 6 minus 4. Going from there, I use my zero product property, say x plus 6 equals 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 6, x is equal to 4. And those are your solutions. There's the whole problem in its entirety. So that's it for 5-8. You should be able to do all the problems in your packet if you follow these examples and do the same type of process.